Nikhil. Wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday. This video is a gift to you from your beloved AIM family.
Happy half century, Nikhil. Welcome to the 50s. May you continue to shine, be effervescent, and be tenacious to achieve all your dreams and goals. Wish you the very, very best.
I am happy to know that Nikhil is celebrating his birthday today. It is a very eventful in his life's phase that crossing to a new decade of a cherished and happy life. We all confined because of the COVID, but Nikhil, he did a wonderful job of organizing 40 to 50 sessions and making us learn from our own brothers and sisters. I learned two things. One, learn and work on a new area always lead to something better and new. Second one, NK proved a point that during this pandemonium also an institution like All India's Asian Institute of Management Association body can work and successfully and effectively. He is wishing NK a happy celebration today, and let's all invite him and let's all celebrate together his next birthday amidst Deccan Charmers at Hyderabad. Good luck, Nikhil.
Cheers! Here's wishing Nikhil Kamath a very happy birthday and God's choicest blessings on our very dynamic association president. Looking forward to him leading us post the pandemic to even greater heights. Have a great year, Nikhil. Bye.
Nikhil, welcome to the golden years of your life. I am so pleased to learn that you'll be now 50 years old in the next few days. Here is wishing you the very best health and happiness to you and your entire family. Keep rocking, my friend. You are one of the best persons that I've known around in AIM fraternity. Bye-bye.
Hi Nikhil, wish you a very happy Golden Jubilee celebrations for your birthday. I'm sure this 50 years has been very satisfying, rewarding and fulfilling time for you and your family. Certainly for the Indian chapter of Asian Institute of Management, under your presidentship, the period has been very active and rewarding one. Now as President of FAME, you are doing a wonderful job activating many chapters and engaging them on a global scale. You have mounted large number of webinars on variety of subjects that are important and rewarding for the members of various alumni chapters. I'm sure you will continue to do a wonderful job, and may God bless you with a very happy and blissful life and grant you another 50 years. God bless you.
Hello, Nikhil. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to my dear friend Nikhil. 50 years is a milestone and it deserves a big celebration. I've known you for about 2 years and I've seen in that short period how determined, how focused, and how hardworking you are. I look forward to more interaction with you for the welfare and benefit of AIM alumni. May you have many more years of good health, happiness, and prosperity. Cheers.
Okay, hi Nikhil. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Nikhil. Wishing you a great birthday greetings from all of us in Bangladesh.
Hi Nikhil, good morning and wishing you a very, very happy 50th birthday. Before you have reached your own personal milestone on this birthday, I think you have already put AIM and India on a bigger pedestal, and it has all been a lot due to your efforts. Keep going and all the best. God bless you on your 50th birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi Nikhil Pare, wishing you all the very best on your special day. Have a wonderful and memorable time as you get showered by all the love and affection from the IIM fraternity. Nikhil, I have fond memories of the time we spent in Manila and in Coron many years after we both graduated. And I always found you a person with grit and determination and a lot of zest in life. You also can switch on the charm when required, and I can understand your fan following all across. All the best, buddy. Cheers, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye, Pare.
Hi, Nikhil. Wish you a very happy birthday, a very healthy year ahead, and may you be as cheerful as ever. God bless you with happiness, joy, peace, good health, and a lot of energy to do what you've been doing. It's been a fantastic year. Despite the challenges, you have taken the association ahead. You've achieved a lot professionally and personally, and I wish you all the very best. Happy birthday once again.
Dear Nikhil, happy birthday. Wish you healthy, wealthy and happy year ahead. Stay safe, stay blessed. As I came to know you are entering into 50s, I wish you fabulous 50. Enjoy your day. This is Bhargavi.
Dear Nikhil, happy birthday. Wish you a wonderful day with good health and happiness. Keep maintaining the positive approach that you have demonstrated in the past and continue the great work for Alumni Association. Once again, happy birthday and have a great year ahead. Thank you.
Dear Nikhil, wishing you a very happy 50th, a big milestone. You've been relentless, enthusiastic, persistent, restless and selfless towards the IIM cause, and the association has come a long way under your binding leadership. I'm sure 2021 will be no different and will only get better. I've had the pleasure of associating with you since being a part of the EC. I enjoy our banters as a friend and also a confidant. While this has been a constrained year with Corona pinning you down to the same FIN code instead of your frequent travels, something that you and everyone around is not used to, I'm sure 2021 will be very different and change all that. So my friend, wishing you the best of health, wealth, happiness and travel in the coming year. Cheers.
Nikhil bhai, I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Brother, I'm extremely tired, बहुत थका हुआ हूँ मैं, so I didn't even bother कि यार बढ़िया कपड़े पहन लूँ, अच्छी सेटिंग कर दूँ. ये बेड पे लेटा हुआ हूँ मैं नीचे ज़मीन पे, but I thought निखिल भाई को wish ज़रूर करना है मुझे बर्थडे पे. Nikhil, of course, our interaction is through our common alma mater, AIM. I can tell you the way you've led this group was exemplary. You know, I know how tough it is. This is a pro bono effort and you've got to keep reaching out to people. And we had a tough Corona year. In this, the kind of interactions you brought about through webinars, through common flow of information from various parts of the world and through a personal interaction. कभी भी आपको फ़ोन मारो, आप उठाते हो, बहुत खुश हो के बात करते हो. You know, it gives a lot of positive energy. Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil bhai. Have a great birthday. Have the next wonderful 50 years. Best wishes. Thank you.
Hi, Nikhil. Wish you a very happy birthday. 50 years and more to go. And have a great day. You've really been enjoying yourself, I hope. All the best.
Hi Nikhil, here's wishing you happy birthday, happy 50th. I hope you have a super day and a fabulous year ahead. Take care. God bless.
Happy 50th, Nikhil. Have a great celebration. Cheers, man.
Yeah, very happy birthday, Nikhil. And for hitting the Golden Jubilee. Have a wonderful year ahead, filled with lots of joy, prosperity and good health. And may you be blessed with all that you desire. Have a wonderful one.
Dear Nikhil, this is Juzar Khorakiwala here, wishing you a great 50th birthday. You've been a great AIM alumni president for India chapter and keeping India's flag flying at AIMs in their various deliberations. It has been a pleasure interacting with you. Keep up the good work and dynamism going forward, and wish you all the very best from me. Thank you, Nikhil. All the best.
Wish you all the best for your 30th anniversary of your 20th birthday. Happy 50th, man. Enjoy.
Nikhil sir, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a fulfilling life with good health, wealth and lots of happiness. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Nikhil. Hope you have a great year ahead. Many happy returns of the day.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, NK sir, in a cold winter morning from Delhi. I pray for all the success, health and long life for you. Happy birthday once again, NK sir.
Sir, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. It's time to celebrate. You have done a lot of incredible things in your life and continue doing that. Stay fit and stay healthy. Cheers.
Hello. Hi Nikhil sir. First of all, a very big thank you for all the support and guidance. And second, I wish you a very happy birthday and prosperous life ahead. Thank you sir.
Hi Nikhil sir. Thank you so much for your leadership at FAME and strengthening our local associations. We really wish you a very happy birthday and stay safe.
Hey Nikhil, a very happy birthday to you. Your energy and enthusiasm are contagious. May you continue to inspire us in years to come.
You have accomplished so much and the best is yet to come.
Have a great birthday.
Hi birthday boy. Happy 50th and to many more. It's been a very long association, being not just batchmates but also roommates back home in Manila in the 1996. Thereafter, all the memories of going around to various places together, having fun picnics, and then we got married, both of us. We've then been working together and trying to figure out our holidays together as families. It's been such a rollicking time that we've had, and time has just passed, and I've already crossed my 50 and now here you are at the big one. On the alumni side, you've been working selflessly over the last so many years, first as treasurer and now as president. And the recent avatar of doing multiple webinars and also working at a grassroots level, so to say, creating so many different chapters in India and doing Ghar Wapasi, as you call it, getting the chapters from other countries to come together under the FAME umbrella, have really given a huge fillip. And I think today a lot of the alumni have started calling the alumni network as their family. They do seriously look at a lot of things that we are doing, not just from a learning perspective, which is coming out across all the different engagements that we have, but also offline. I'm sure a lot of the alumni have already started doing business, and I expect that very soon the juggernaut will become bigger and we will start trading across all the countries, and the Asian tiger will come live with the alumni itself. So I think to more work with the alumni, and really thank you for all the patience that you put up, not just with me but with all the other alumni as well, for to get around and do workouts on so many situations. But I think we've come out clean. So coming back to your 50th, do enjoy the day and look forward for a very nice and a lovely drink and dinner at a good club very soon. Bye-bye. Enjoy the day.
Life, leaders are many. There are a few who lead from the top. There are a few who lead from the behind. But only a true leader leads from the front, protecting his loved ones, well-wishers and family. And that's our Nikhil sir. Here's wishing Nikhil sir a very